This is my classic beef and beer stew. Tender sirloin tips, tasty root vegetables, all the flavors, a little bit of Creole seasoning, and my secret ingredient, coconut aminos. This is just a little taster. But this, oh my gosh, it's really good. Like, I'm surprised. Oh, it's good. If you want to know how to make this, check it out. I made these little coconut flour biscuits from Wellness Mama to go with it. Very, very easy. And look, they're so cute. Perfect accompaniment. Check it out. And the recipe's on tkfoodie.com. There is nothing more comforting than beef stew, and for this one I'm using some beef tips and then coating them in a couple tablespoons of brown rice flour. That ensures that this beef stew is gluten-free, but you can also use regular flour if you want. I give them a good coating and then I put them into my Ninja Foodie. You can use a Ninja Foodie, you can use a Dutch oven, your Instapot, whatever will pressure cook for you, or if you're going to use a Dutch oven, that will slowly cook on the stove. So I'm adding the beef tips until they're brown, then adding some onion and then my carrots. And I love the sweetness of carrots in this beef stew. Followed by some mushrooms. Those nice hearty mushrooms just are fabulous in that. And this, a heft of potatoes. I love potatoes in beef stew. I added some green bell peppers just because I had a couple left from my garden harvest this fall. Those were the last of them. You don't have to add that. I just wanted to make sure that I used mine up. I'm adding salt and pepper, obviously, and then giving this a good stir. And then I want to add my seasonings, which are garlic, lots of garlic, as you can see here. I probably had 4 or 5 cloves. And then coconut aminos. You can use this or soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce. This is kind of like the umami flavor that goes into this beef stew. And then Creole seasoning, that's kind of the unexpected ingredient as well. It adds a tiny bit of spice, but a lot of flavor. And then your beer. I just had an IPA here, but honestly, if you had a Guinness or something like that, even better. So then cover this and cook. You'll see in my Ninja Foodie it took 15 minutes, or you can simmer on stovetop. All right, what did you just say about my beef stew?
I said I'm not a beef stew eater, but that was very, very good. I like it.
Awesome. Thank you, honey.